Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to download and install Oracle database. To learn JDBC we are going to use Oracle database. How to download and install Oracle database. The very first thing that you need to do is go to oracle.com. Open any of the web browser. In the browser bar you need to type www.oracle.com. Hit enter. So here what you need to do is click on this view accounts. If you're not signed in to the Oracle account, you cannot able to download Oracle database. If you don't have the Oracle account, you can sign up to the oracle.com by just clicking on this link, create an account. Click on this view accounts and click on this create account. It will be redirecting you to one page. There you can fill all your informations and you can just hit the create account link. So in my case, I'll be filling the information like at gmail.com and the password. I'll let Google Chrome to suggest me one good password. Okay. And it is very important that you need to remember this password. Okay. And country is India in my case. And the name I'm going to give it is first name and last name, job type, title. So you can fill your phone number here. Then the company name. And zip code. Okay. 560041. After filling all the information in this page, you just need to click on create account. Here you can see the message that check your mail and you should confirm the mail that is sent from oracle.com. Go to your email. It might be Yahoo Mail or it might be Gmail or Outlook, whatever it is. In my case, that is Gmail. I'm signing into my Gmail account. I'm going to inbox. So here you can find the mail that is sent from oracle.com. Click on this mail and you just need to click on this verify email address. Click on this link to verify your email address. So your account got successfully registered with the oracle.com. So in future, if you want to download any software from the oracle.com, you just need to sign in to your account and you can just download. So after that, just you can just close all these Chrome tabs or whatever your browser tabs. Copy this URL. Okay, I'm going to download one specific database version. Copy this content and open your web browser, and in the URL you just need to paste that content and hit the enter. Okay, hit the enter. So here what you need to do is click on view accounts and click on sign in. Okay, sign in. First you need to sign in order to download any software from the oracle.com. So in my case I have already one account. Okay, I'm just clicking on sign in. After that, what you need to do is there are totally 3 files are available. Which file you need to download, that depends on your system architecture and your system OS, right? In my case, that is Windows. I'm using Windows OS and my architecture, it is 64-bit architecture. My system architecture is 64-bit. And if your system is 32-bit, if your system is 32-bit architecture, you must download this file. Okay, 64-bit version won't be working in the 32-bit system architecture. So you just need to download the 32-bit file. In my case, that is 64-bit. If your system is 64-bit, you can download either any of the 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, and if your system is running on Linux, okay, you need to download this file. So I'm just clicking on the first link. It is about 317 MB. It will be taking some time. Okay, after the download got successfully finished, go to the downloads. Here you can find the downloaded file. Okay, it is in the zip format. You need to extract it by using any of the zip extractor. If you're using Windows 10, that is inbuilt, you can just double click and you can just extract instantly. And if you are not using Windows 10, you might need to install zip separately. After installing zip, you just need to right click on that and you can just click on this extract to Oracle XE Win64 folder. Okay, what it does is it will be extracting all the files in one folder. Okay, in that folder setup file will be there. After successfully extracting the file, I'm getting this folder. Go inside this folder, go inside this disk 1, click on this setup file. double click on this setup file. It is asking to give me the permission, so I'm just clicking on S. First of all, it is extracting the file, installation files. Extracting got finished. Now this is the main installation window. Here you just need to click on this next, click on next, accept the license agreement, click on next, and now I'm making some changes here to the installation location. I want to install this database software in the D drive. By default it is selecting the C drive. I don't want to install in the C drive. To lower the um, OS load, I'm going to install it in a different drive other than C drive. Development softwares, here I'm going to create one folder. Otherwise, here itself in the installation itself, it will be taking the folder. Okay, it will be creating the folder. So go to the installation, and you just need to direct. Okay, you just need to direct that installation location. Click on browse. Okay, click on browse. Expand this D drive, and in my case, I'm going to install it in development softwares. I'm clicking on this development softwares. Just click OK. So here it is not not taking the folder by default. Okay, it is going to install all the files in the development softwares. So that I don't want. I'm just creating a new folder. Okay, Oracle exe, like that. I'm going to create one folder. So go to the installation. So here you can just direct Oracle exe. This is the folder I'm going to install this Oracle database software. Hit OK, and here we go. You can just hit the next. Okay, asking for password. Okay, just remember this password. Whatever you give the password, please remember that password. This is the password for the database. So while developing our JDBC program, we need to use this password. So please remember this password. Whatever the password you give, you need to remember this password. In my case, I'll be giving something like grant 123. You just need to repeat in the confirm password section. That's it. Grant 123. Hit next. Everything is ready, and you can just hit the install. So it will be taking some time to install. Installation got finished. You just need to hit finish. All right, this is it for how to download and install Oracle database, and we are good to go now.